box time here at Unique, especially in classics. This one's a 1985 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box. 307 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. Automatic to be exact. Let's take a look at the chrome bumper up front, grille, headlight surrounds. Victory red paint. Chevrolet color, of course. And it shows well. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Riding on a later model steel wheel with beauty rings, center caps. Nice look in this short box. Let's take a look down the passenger side. As you can see, the panels are straight. Paint looks good. Scottsdale insignia. Who doesn't want a full-sized Hot Wheel when you're a big kid? Why not, right? We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior. It does have black vinyl bench seat. Spray and bed liner. Go through some of the things that are new on this just within the past year or so. Recent upgrades. Edelbrock aluminum intake and carbs, so we'll check that out when we're underneath the hood and listen to it run. Distributor, plugs, wires, high torque starter. Does have a 105 amp single wire alternator. Battery cables, all recently went through. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. Just take a look at the tailgate. You can see rear bumper removed, just kind of that clean street rod looking away. Fuel pump, sending unit, fuel filter and fuel lines, all recently replaced. Does have headers on it. We'll check that out too when we get underneath the hood. 2.5-inch turbo exhaust. You'll be able to see that in the underside pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the underside, interior, engine bay. See these things we're talking about. 3-core aluminum radiator and fan. Thermostat, all fluids. Also had a complete brake job. Front and rear with flex hoses. Ball joint steering linkage also recently replaced, and alignment done in 2022 after that stuff was done also. Let's check out this interior. All glass and weather stripping has also been replaced in this truck, and you can see, you look around these door openings, new rubber gaskets / moldings. Dash pad, seat covers, carpet, also recently redone. Door cards, stereo, all chrome emblems, and headlamps also. Let's take a look at this dash pad. Yes, it does look new. So interior in very nice shape also. Free of rips, tears, and holes. Seat belt still intact. Of course, 85, you're gonna have the shoulder belts. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at the interior. So you have an aftermarket tack on the steering column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's see, battery gauge working. There is a oil pressure one down here, just so you know too. So there's a working oil pressure gauge there. Temp gauge, that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be moved. Tack is working. And up here, fuel gauge also came up. More modern stereo with an auxiliary input cable too. That is working. Sounds good too. Be a fun truck for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Just take it out and drive it, have some fun. Sounds good. 2.5-inch exhaust. All right, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get this hood open so we can check out this engine bay, and we'll take a look at some of those things we just talked about. Get a look at the underside of the hood. Nice black finish. And here it is. So 307. Small block. Power steering, power brakes. You can see new Edelbrock intake manifold. Edelbrock 4-barrel carb underneath there. Aluminum radiator we mentioned earlier. It's a 3-core. Headers. It's a nice, tidy, clean, good-looking engine bay. Reliable performance. Stick around, check out the driving video so you kind of get an idea of what it's like to go down on the road in this truck. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate on this 1985 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1985 Chevrolet C10 short box pickup. This is an automatic on the floor. We have a tachometer mounted to the column that does function. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Retro sound style radio in the dash. And let's see how she does on the road. Smooth running truck. If I let go of the steering wheel while we're going down the road. I'd say it's pretty much where we put it, maybe a slight drift to the right. Could be a tire that's a little bit low. Looks like we picked up 2 bugs. Don't see any windshield defects, but we just picked up 2 bugs. This truck corners well, doesn't lean very much.